Why should I protect nature? Nature is the big wild world all around us, from giant oak trees to little acorns and wiggling worms. The birds chirping in the trees are part of nature. So is the salty smell of the sea splashing in the rain puddles and the soft fur on a donkey's nose. I used to find nature boring or pesky or yucky or creepy, but then our class went on a nature trip. Our trip took us to the sea, and we looked at pools at the sea, little pools with crawling things. On the way home, we had a picnic at the park. Everyone got a bit rowdy. Craig and Monica broke some branches. I threw a soda can. Oh no, littering. John picked some flowers. Sally tried to swat a bee. Our teacher, Miss Wade, said we should protect nature, not hurt it. Why should I protect nature? We couldn't climb trees. She asked, what do you think would happen if everyone broke off the branches of the trees? The trees would have no leaves left. They couldn't grow properly. Birds couldn't nest in their branches. And guess what would happen if we all picked flowers and swatted bees? Looks pretty bleak. No leaves, no branches, nowhere for the bees to go. There would be no flowers left. We'd have no honey for breakfast. And what would happen if we all dropped litter everywhere we liked? The countryside would be knee-deep in paper, plastic, and tin cans. Birds and other animals would choke or get trapped in litter. Not good. Oh no. He got his little paw stuck in that can. No trees, no flowers, no honey, no animals. That would be terrible, right? Right. So, how can we help nature instead? Instead of picking flowers, we could plant flowers in a corner of the garden. Frances does planting all the time with her dad, right, Frances? Butterflies and bees love flowers, so they'll visit too. We could plant a tree instead of breaking branches. Cleaning up litter keeps nature looking lovely and helps animals and birds. Now we have fun protecting nature. After all, people are part of nature too. The end.